we are. Just got a nice big shipment of pecans. Alright, we got ourselves about 40 pounds of pecans. Not too bad, I don't know. Guess we spent about $100 altogether. Had a little bit donated and $4 a pound for the rest. So, well, not bad. 40 pounds for about $100 altogether. Maybe a little more. I'm not sure. The squirrels are happy. See, got that plate set up here. This is behind the back door, and we set up the feeding stations. Yeah, I was in Fort Valley, so I was able to get, I got about 5 pounds donated that were returns from Georgia Pecan. I'd like to thank them. And then, shit, we bought another 20 pounds. Yeah, right, something like that. 20. We ended up coming back with, what it was 26 pounds. And then Michelle got 10 pounds delivered yesterday, so 36 pounds. That's just the peanut thing, which is, like I said, that was probably about 100 altogether, maybe 110. Yeah. Then tomorrow, we get a stop at BJ's, which we'll get another 10 bags of peanuts, the 5-pound bag. That's be about 75. And we also just got sunflower seeds. Michelle got a huge, look like 25-pound bag delivered today. So I don't know price on sunflower seeds. So I'm sure that was another maybe 30 or 40 bucks. And that's just for our local wildlife here. I'm probably spending easy, roughly probably about $1,500 a month on the wildlife. Adding the cats, you could say $2,000 a month between the alley cats and our cats, litter, yeah, animals. Animals $2K a month. Humans, well, we get whatever's left over, you know. But the bills are paid, so all is well right now. But I am grateful to see that we are approaching our 3,000 hours watched on YouTube. What you need for one of the levels where I think you could do subscriptions and stuff like that. So we're hoping to get to that level. I think 4,000 is the best level to be at where you make money from ads, but I think 3,000 will allow us to do subscriptions and stuff like that, where maybe we can offset some of the costs and, you know, we allow people to donate. Not sure how all of that works yet. I started this channel back in March of last year, and yeah, it's been about 10 months, 10 to 11 months, and we're at about 2,625 hours. So if you guys are out there and got some cats to entertain, if you could throw our channel on and just play mix, get a few hours in, anything to get us closer to our goal of hitting that hourly mark, we'd certainly appreciate it. Our cats watch it all day. They love it. It's like looking out the back window, only it's the TV too. Like all the birds are coming in now. That's the one thing I forgot, is the sunflower seeds. Let me go inside and bring out the sunflower seeds. I promised my wife I'd dump some in the shell there, so I'll leave this on right here. Let me go Alright. There we go over here. Hey, we got a couple of birds here. Come on, guys. You know, we got the feeder here. Promise my wife I'd load this up over here. Little birdies. Got to put it on both sides. There you go. And I should probably throw some on the floor. Somewhere over here. Alright. There you go. Is there anywhere else for bird seed? Okay, let me just... There you go. Bird seed, bird seed. Alright. Come on out, squirrelies. There's one of our houses up there. This was supposed to be a birdhouse, but it's taken over by a squirrel. And then over here we got our resident squirrel house. Bonnie and Clyde were born. I've noticed the squirrels have been coming out later now. Maybe it's the weather. I'm guessing. Oh, here comes some squirrels. Go get it, guys. We loaded up. Pecans. Yeah, you got your... Oh yeah, they're happy with them pecans. Word will get around fast. Hi, guys. Go get you some. I'm very cautious when the wind blows. It's okay, baby. Oh, here's another one. Yeah, go in there. Good, this guy's going in. There's a lot in there. There you go. Another squirrel up. There you go. There's plenty in there. Another taker over here. They're all starting to come out. Oh, who's that? Come on. Here you go. Here you go. Okay, here, I got one. There you go. Yes. Oh, yeah, starting to come out. These squirrels like to gossip, so once a few get them, they all start coming up. See, they're all coming up here. I heard that's the spot. Come on. Yeah, they're all coming down. Come on. Come on. Here you go. Here you go. Come on. Come on. Yeah. There you go. You got it. Gotta check it. Make sure it's a good one. Alright. Good deal. Yeah. The wind's starting to pick up a little. Got more takers there. There you go. Yes. First time this week where we've had extra pecans. We've been dealing mostly with walnuts and hazelnuts and almonds. So this is the first time this week we've had a bunch of pecans, which squirrels love. Go on. Come on. Come on. I see you. Here you go. You gotta eat it right there, buddy. Oh, sitting in the sunlight. That's smart. Oh, cardinals. Oh, this cardinal's happy. He's up on the dish right there. Oh, you're commanding that area, huh? Oh. Got pretty warm today, considering it's been really cold here. Must have got above 50. But it's going to be dropping fast and the sun's going down. Come on, guys. Got plenty of pecans out there for you. Stormy, where are you at, Stormy? Your mama's worried about you. There you go. Get yourself plenty there. Oh, big jump. Got another one up there. Yeah, they like that one. We had a huge rush this morning, but it was just too cold to be out here filming. Huge rush this morning, and squirrels seem to be stocking up in the morning. Because we had the box of pecans, a bag of pecans came in last night. So this morning was the first time we had a bunch of extra pecans. probably gave out a ton. Oh, come on. Come on. I got one for you. Oh, I'm gonna have to duck down. Come here. You find something? Yeah. Here you go. Alright. Pecan. He's happy. Oh, another one up there. They love that end bowl. Alright guys, I gotta get out of here. I gotta start cooking myself some dinner. I'll see you